in partnership with CommSec.
Quick look at the markets now. Good morning, Tom Piotrowski.
Pete, good morning. So US markets were lower for a third day. So even in that brief period of losses, that's qualified the US market as experiencing its longest losing streak in a month. So the S&P 500 and the Nasdaq were down by around 0.5%. The Dow Jones was down 0.4%. What was goading the markets lower, Pete, was that we saw some much stronger than expected GDP figures. The third estimate of US growth for the second quarter was 0.5% higher than what was previously estimated. So much stronger, driven by consumer spending, which allayed concerns about the weakening of the consumer and indeed the employment picture. But that then cast a doubt over whether or not we'll see 3 rate cuts from the US Fed in the near term. And that was part of the reason why stocks were lower and government bonds are a bit higher. So a 10-year government bond up 3 basis points to 4.17. The futures market's pointing to a fairly flat start for the local share market today. We've seen commodity prices generally firm last night. Oil up by 0.25%, 65.15 US a barrel. Gold about 1% off record highs at $3,745 per ounce, and the Aussie dollar has been marked down quite severely to 65.3 US cents. So the US dollar has strengthened on the back of those better growth numbers, Pete.
Okay, thank you, Tom.